All right. All right. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for being here, joining another stream. If you guys are new here in the morning, we come in, take a look at NQ price action, see what it did, see what it can do going into the New York session, and then at night we come in, review, see what took place and what we got going on. So let's see here. So if you guys were with us this morning, we were looking at the initial Asia session, kind of being both sides, London session being inside. So we said, okay, there is potential for price to come in, sweep this side or this side, and then reverse back to the other side, right? So initially opening up, we came in over here. We got that nice rising VIX as price comes in, sweeping this low of the previous 5-minute candle, price holding above the weekly open, gives us that nice continuation to the upside as we're sweeping this Asia session high. Next candle opens up and gives us that rejection to the downside. We continue to watch and see what happens here. And on the 15-minute, this 15-minute closes below the Asia session high sweep, right? So after that sweep, now we're looking at this next candle, at this next 5-minute candle, where price sweeps the top of the previous 5-minute candle and begins to reverse to the downside. That's where we take some shorts into the OTE and into this order block. Right out of it, we see another bounce, comes back, sweeps this, and gives us another retest of these shorts over here to the downside. From here, we have a swing failure pivot as price is holding above these liquidities, and that gives us that continuation to the upside where we finally make that high of day. That's what we have. That's what we had on the day. That's nothing crazy, nothing unusual, right? Just a good old fucking pumperoonie. And now we are seeing a nice run to the upside on NQ. Nice dump initially, and now we're seeing a run to the upside. We'll watch over here for this fair value gap to become an inverse fair value gap, and that can give you some potential for the upside, right? As we opened up this hourly, began with an immediate run to the downside here. So that typically, sometimes, if not all the time, means that we do give a little dumpy. So we are above it. Okay, let's see if they retrace it at all or not into that inverse fair value gap. And here on the hourly, right, we also retrace into the wick here and saw that bounce out of it as bodies are still continuing to kind of close above this previous weekly high sweep. So as long as bodies continue to close above that, we will see continuation to the upside. If we get a close below it, then we could look for potential reversals there, right? So let's see what they do on the shit. Here, I mean, what are we looking at? On the 4-hour, this is what I was looking at, right? On the 4-hour, there is potential for price to, if they really want to send this to the downside, they could come down into this range, right? Still keeping it within the range of this 4-hour candle, this 10 a.m. 4-hour candle. So if they keep it within this range, there's potential for it to then reverse to the upside and give us a rising 3 there, right? This wouldn't be necessarily with the previous daily low sweep, but it would be within the range of this candle, retest of this consolidation, continuation to the back up to the highs here. We can also watch the retest of that 15-minute fair value gap, just kind of in between here on the 4-hour, but the hourly is also just kind of holding within this range. So let's see what they realistically want to do with this thing. But big trading, I would say, happened today on the 15-minute. That was the time frame that was the steal of the day today. So initial right close below that, reversal to the downside. Next candle opens up. We're just playing the pattern here. Continuation to the upside after the retest of this order block. Sweep of the previous 15-minute low or previous 15-minute high outside 15-minute candle. So we come in, sweep this range. New hourly is still open. We sweep the bottom of the hourly. It gives a swing failure pivot on the 5-minute, on the 15-minute. We also have some buyers coming in, and we get that continuation to the upside there. So that's what we got going on into tomorrow. Obviously, continue to watch these previous weekly high, previous weekly, or the weekly open. Previous daily high is also going to be on watch if price comes into that and sees something. Let's see. So Yeah, we'll keep an eye on this area up here, right? Sweep of this, reversal to the downside. So we'll keep an eye, see what they want to do around here with this inverse fair value gap. If they retrace it, continuation to the upside. If they break back through it, we can possibly see some of these lows. But other than that, that's all I have today. So thank you guys for watching. Oh, what's up? BTC go bye-bye? I don't know. BTC is kind of still on a little bit of a cranker, so we'll see, brother. It's gonna this weekly, I would say maybe wait for that previous weekly high sweep for right now. We can still go a little bit into that 618 area, into that 83, and then reject from there. So that's what at least that's what I'm watching. But thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Short and sweet today, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace out.